Welcome back everyone to the last video of the module. In the last video we did a show of how we could filter data, filter complex data, and show a subset. So for common functions that we talked about on websites. So we click here, we see our cheaper. I've gone ahead and added a show all items button to just kind of reset that back to the original view. So all that does is on click of that show all button, do our callback function, and just call render products again, just like we originally do, to see them all at the beginning. Now we've added this put all items on sale button. So what I want to do with that is basically just set all the items to 50% off and show it to the page. So how might we go about doing that? Well, let's go ahead and grab I'm going to copy paste that and grab that button ID. We're going to call it sale button. And there we go. And when we click that, what we want to do is transform this data so that maybe we just take half off the price, divide it by 2. And so when you hear that word transform, you should think about mapping over. So let's change this to sale products, and let's do products.map and take we're going to have to open this up a little bit. So we're going to grab the product and set its price property to the price it had before divided by 2. And then we're going to return the product. So that's our transformation. We're basically changing the one value of that property, and then we're going to put it in this new array, sales products. So if it runs properly, we'll have all the items of all the key value pairs, just this one will be changed. And one thing to note, we can shorten this up a little bit with the divide equals operator. Not one you commonly see used, but it's just like plus equals, minus equals. We can clean that up a little bit. Okay, so we'll call sale products. If that worked, we should see these prices get cut in half when I click this. It'll be kind of weird since it's 99 cents, but there you go. So now let's go ahead and show all items. Now here's where something messed up, because the numbers have remained the same. So when we actually click this put all items on sale button, we're mutating that original array. And so now we've kind of wiped out our old data. And now everything's so cheap that the show cheaper than $50 button doesn't matter anymore. Which is not what we want. We want after the sale, for the sale to end. Well, maybe we don't want that, but the store owner does. So why does this happen? Because we said that map returns a brand new array. Well, that's true. But as map loops over the original array, objects and arrays for themselves, for that matter, are passed by reference. So this whole object is referenced when we take that product.price and equal it by 2. Because this product is a reference, and so we're mutating it. Even though the array is brand new that we're forming, the object is still a reference. So how do we fix that? So we can take a copy of that object with an operator you haven't seen before. So we're going to say copy product, and we're going to build a brand new object and use the spread operator. And so you can think of the spread operator like a butter knife. We're essentially taking the product and spreading butter, all of its key value pairs, into this brand new object. So the reference will be brand new, and we won't be referencing the old product anymore. So if we go ahead and do that, and now we're returning this brand new object rather than the reference to the old object, our fix should work. So we can put the items on sale, and if we show items cheaper than $50, all the prices had reset back to normal. If we show all items, put all items on sale, show all items, the prices have reverted back to their normal pre-sale price. So that's just a note on being careful about object and array references when you're trying to code. So thank you for watching, and good luck on the free code camp exercises and the assessment.